And look at this, by the way. Look at this, side of the road. This just reminds me of when I grew up in Canada. We had snow put on the side, pushed onto the side of the street, right? But this is sand, guys. Siesta Key is right here on this side. Look at this, this is sand. But this reminds me of snow. That's basically what Siesta Key is still looking like. It's been about 2 weeks since we have had the hurricane, and there's still major cleanup happening, right? And this is the South Village right here. We do have a grocery store, the Crescent Beach Market. I think they're opened up again.